Okie doke. So, this will be the engine section of the Hammer 1250 install. Already got everything disassembled in terms of just the rocker covers. This will be taking off the heads. Pretty much, you do small to large in terms of bolt sizes. So it starts with the 3/16 Allen, and then the 3 bolts in the middle, and then these on the outer rockers. So the cylinder has to be in top dead center, which this front one already is. And these last 4 bolts are the ones you worry about. Those have to be slowly removed. Something to do with the lifters coming down, that sort of thing. But I will start with the front cylinder. Hopefully I can see. I'm trying to start with this back one. And it's loose. Hope I don't knock the camera over. He's on a box on the lift. Phew, that oil has a stench. I got new S&S filters, but still have an old filter on the bike. But oil changes aren't that interesting. That guy wasn't as tight. Get 2 hands on it. That way it keeps clicking. Okay, so those are loose. That's the one. 7/16. Let me get it. There we go. He's out, he's out, he's out. And these guys are bigger. So that looks like a 1/2 incher. And they say kind of do it in a crisscross pattern. So 45 degrees. 1. 2. I think it's loose already. It's loose. That's not the last guy holding any tension, really. Okay, so these are loose, essentially. The head is moving. Just a good sign, I suppose. That's what we're going for. Okie doke. straight up. Rods are still there. Didn't lose any bolts. This is front head. Removed. What have we got? Rods. And next is the cylinder on that side. And then the head on the other side. I guess I'll rotate it over. Forward is this way. Let's go forward. Compression. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, man. Look at that. Boom, just hit. We're about that far from it. But okay, so that's good for me. Now, I want what I had before. This guy, that guy. Okay. Again, small bolts. I'll be sure I'm fully seated in there. Get back over here. Get oil on sock. Okay, so that's done. Next is the middle guys, which was the deep socket, but not this one. I think it was actually this 1/4 inch I was using last time. Actually pretty loose, if you ask me. Okay, stay in there. Oh no, washer. ½ inch. These guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Set that one down. I think everything's loose now. Or so I think. Oh, the rods. Okay. Let's get all this out the way. Loosen. Loosen. Quarter turn. 45 degrees. Cheater bar. Okay. One. Fudge. Not like that. Where should I get the extension on there? You know what? I'm tempted to sit on the bike, but camera is sitting. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is front cylinder. Okay. Rubber hammer. I want something. Water mount. Okay. It's not on me. Okay, let me see here. So he's loose. Let's get him out. Ah. This is front. Get him out. There we go. Piston is down. Oh, that's just a piston skirt. Oop, don't knock the camera over, sir. Okay, so I'm going to set this rag in there and hopefully prevent the piston from slamming. That's pretty heavy, actually. Okay, piston 1 is off. Looks really nice, actually. With my cheater bar and my ratchet. All the scary is done. Okay, so I want to keep these in order. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There with the rod. Okay. This is the back cylinder. Go over here. Put that back here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and call it a break for today. Okay, so it's another day. I just woke up early and was at work last time, so kind of tired. It is Saturday, so I think it was Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 days later. I still don't have my hammer kit, so last thing to do here really is pull out these circlips and get these pistons off. The other side, I was trying to do it before, but I didn't have my good picks. Turned out to be in the center chest of the toolbox, but searched everywhere for them. But I noticed on the other side with the smaller picks that the circlip has the hole, so it's like a C-clip, right? So it has a gap. The gap happened to be right where the access point was, so the other side was kind of a pain in the behind. But you could just take one side off and slide it out. So this side should be more accessible. It's just that last time I had a, hold on, my viewfinder turned off. Last time I had a crappier pick. I mean, these are probably not the best, but Husky, I think they're like $10. And these are thicker, right? So I had a very thin pick before, so it would just bend versus pulling this guy out. But yeah, there should be a little access point. And then you should grab the clip. So I think that's right there. Yeah, right there it is. So he's coming out. It's actually not that bad. And then I say put your thumb here or it'll shoot out. So that's one. Didn't fall in the case. Thank you, paper towels. So that's one out. I'll do the other side. It's light, while helpful, is kind of in my work area. I guess again under there, pulling back, fudge. There we go. I got it. Woo! Yeah. So that's it. So I got one on each side. Okay, so I kind of rotated them out a little bit. So that's pretty good. Well, now I'm afraid this is going to pop out of there like nobody's business. Okay, he came out. It sounded like he went to the other side of the bike. Hopefully it didn't hit my car. Oh, it is. Hopefully it didn't hit my car. Oh, it is. So did he come out? Pretty sure he came out. Yeah, he's out, so. Maybe I need a smaller socket. What do I got here? Let me try the other side, I suppose. Bring my circle clip. Maybe one socket. Oh. There we go. I hope you caught that. Let's get you a little bit closer. Now I'm worried about my socket being stuck in there as well. Oh, he's already out. That's my piston. Marks Ford. Okay. There we go. Now this guy's really gonna shoot because he is not opening in a way you want. Ow! Fudge. He's out. Probably should have put a glove on. That was a good snap. But okay, hopefully you saw that instead of just paper towel. Okay, so both wrist pins are out of that guy. I'm gonna push this guy out the other way if plausible. Okay, easy. Hopefully you saw that too. Cool. So a little bit of wear on the side there, maybe. But the pistons looked good. And that's about all I can do until I get my kit. Yeah, so that concludes part 2. Part 2 ran a little bit long. I was going to put the reassembly together with the removal, but since things went a bit long, I figure it's better to keep it separate. And I don't have parts yet. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.